The Tale of the Lost City. Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there was a bustling kingdom known as Arendelle. It was a place of prosperity and happiness, where the people lived in harmony with nature and each other. The kingdom was famous for its grand libraries, filled with books that held the secrets of ancient civilizations. The ruler of Arendelle, King Eamon, was a wise and kind leader who cherished knowledge and encouraged his people to learn and explore. Among the citizens of Arendelle was a young scholar named Leon. Leon was an adventurous and curious soul, with a passion for uncovering the mysteries of the past. He spent most of his days in the great library, poring over dusty tomes and ancient scrolls. One day, while searching through a forgotten corner of the library, Leon discovered a tattered map that piqued his interest. The map depicted a lost city called Eloria, said to be hidden deep within the forbidden Shadowlands. Legends spoke of Eloria as a place of immense beauty and wealth, where the streets were paved with gold and the buildings sparkled with precious gems. According to the stories, the city had vanished mysteriously centuries ago, and no one had been able to find it since. Excited by the prospect of such a discovery, Leon decided to embark on a journey to find the lost city of Eloria. He shared his plan with his best friend, Arya, a skilled archer and a fierce warrior. Arya was known for her bravery and loyalty, and she immediately agreed to join Leon on his quest. Together, they prepared for the long and dangerous journey ahead. Before they left, King Eamon called Leon and Arya to his palace. He warned them of the perils that awaited them in the Shadowlands' treacherous terrain, fierce beasts, and dark magic. The king also gave them a magical amulet that would guide them and protect them from harm. With the king's blessings and the amulet in hand, Leon and Arya set off on their adventure. Their journey took them through dense forests, across vast deserts, and over towering mountains. They faced many challenges along the way, but their determination and courage never wavered. They encountered wild animals, treacherous storms, and even bandits, but they always managed to overcome these obstacles together. One day, as they were traveling through a dense forest, they came across a small village that was not marked on any map. The villagers welcomed them warmly and offered them food and shelter. Leon and Arya learned that this village, named Eldergrove, was known for its ancient wisdom and mystical traditions. The village elder, a wise woman named Lyra, shared stories of the Shadowlands and the dangers that lay ahead. She also told them about a hidden path that could lead them safely to their destination. With Lyra's guidance, Leon and Arya continued their journey, now with a clearer understanding of the challenges they would face. The hidden path took them through breathtaking landscapes, including lush valleys, sparkling rivers, and towering cliffs. Along the way, they encountered various magical creatures, some friendly and others not so much. They befriended a family of talking owls who helped them navigate through a maze-like forest and fought off a group of mischievous sprites that tried to lead them astray. After many weeks of traveling, Leon and Arya finally reached the outskirts of the Shadowlands. The land was dark and eerie, with twisted trees and thick fog that obscured their path. Using the magical amulet, they navigated through the treacherous landscape, guided by its glowing light. One night, as they rested by a campfire, an old hermit approached them. The hermit was a mysterious figure, with long white hair and a staff that seemed to pulse with magical energy. He introduced himself as Orion and offered to help them find Eloria. He explained that he had been searching for the lost city for many years and had gathered valuable knowledge about its location. With Orion's guidance, Leon and Arya continued their journey deeper into the Shadowlands. They followed hidden trails and crossed perilous ravines, always keeping their goal in sight. As they traveled, Orion shared stories of Eloria's grandeur and the secrets it held. One day, they reached a hidden valley surrounded by towering cliffs. In the center of the valley, shrouded in mist, was the entrance to a massive underground cavern. Orion revealed that this was the gateway to Eloria, but warned that it was guarded by powerful magic. Using the amulet, Leon and Arya dispelled the magical barrier and entered the cavern. They were amazed by what they saw: glittering stalactites hung from the ceiling, and the walls were adorned with intricate carvings that told the history of Eloria. As they ventured deeper into the cavern, they finally emerged into the lost city. Eloria was even more magnificent than they had imagined. The streets were indeed paved with gold, and the buildings sparkled with precious gems. However, the city was deserted, with no signs of life. They explored the city, uncovering its secrets and marveling at its beauty. In the heart of Eloria, they discovered a grand palace. Inside, they found a throne room with a large, ornate throne. Sitting on the throne was a spectral figure, the spirit of Eloria's last king. The spirit revealed that the city had been cursed by a powerful sorcerer, causing it to vanish from the world. Only by breaking the curse could the city be restored to its former glory. Leon, Arya, and Orion worked together to break the curse. Using the knowledge they had gained from their journey and the power of the amulet, they performed a powerful ritual. As they completed the ritual, a bright light filled the throne room, and the spirit of the king thanked them for their bravery. With the curse broken, Eloria began to come back to life. The city's inhabitants, who had been trapped in a timeless slumber, awoke and rejoiced. The city once again became a place of beauty and prosperity. However, their adventure was not yet complete. As Eloria awakened, so did the dark forces that had once sought to control it. Leon, Arya, and Orion found themselves facing a new threat: the sorcerer who had cursed the city in the first place. The sorcerer, a malevolent being named Malakar, had been waiting for the city to reappear so he could claim its power for himself. Malakar appeared in a swirl of dark magic, his eyes glowing with evil intent. He demanded the amulet and threatened to destroy Eloria once and for all. Leon, Arya, and Orion knew they had to stand their ground and protect the city. A fierce battle ensued, with spells and arrows flying through the air. The inhabitants of Eloria, now awake and aware of the danger, joined in the fight to defend their home. Leon used his knowledge of ancient spells to counter Malakar's dark magic, while Arya's arrows struck true, disrupting the sorcerer's focus. Orion, with his staff glowing with magical energy, fought alongside them, using his own powers to shield and protect his friends. The battle raged on, and just when it seemed that Malakar might gain the upper hand, Leon had an idea. He remembered a passage from one of the ancient texts he had studied, a spell that could trap a sorcerer in a realm of mirrors, effectively neutralizing their power. With Arya and Orion's help, Leon began to chant the incantation. As the spell took effect, mirrors appeared around Malakar, reflecting his image back at him from all sides. The sorcerer screamed in rage and fear as he was pulled into the mirrored realm, his dark magic fading away. With Malakar defeated and the city safe once more, the people of Eloria celebrated their heroes. King Aemon, who had sensed the disturbance in the Shadowlands, arrived with a contingent of knights to ensure the safety of Leon, Arya, and Orion. He was overjoyed to see the lost city restored and its people freed from the curse. Leon, Arya, and Orion returned to Arendelle as heroes. King Aemon praised them for their courage and wisdom, and the people celebrated their return. The story of their adventure and the rediscovery of Eloria became a legend, passed down through generations. Leon and Arya continued their scholarly pursuits, always seeking new knowledge and adventures. They knew that the world was full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered, and they were determined to explore them all. Orion chose to stay in Eloria, becoming its guardian and advisor. He helped the people rebuild their lives and reconnect with the world outside. The bonds formed during their journey remained strong, and the three friends often visited each other, sharing stories of their latest discoveries. And so, the tale of the lost city of Eloria became a symbol of courage, friendship, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge, inspiring countless others to embark on their own journeys of discovery. The legend of Leon, Arya, and Orion lived on, a testament to the power of unity and the enduring quest for wisdom.